New York Post reporter arrested for drunken driving in Harlem, leaving scene of accident. The New York Post reporter has been suspended from the money-losing tabloid following his arrest Wednesday night for driving drunk, crashing into a parked car and fleeing the scene, police said. Frank Rosario was driving north on Amsterdam Avenue in Harlem in a gray Toyota with a flat tire when he struck the parked car near W134th Street about 9 p.m., police said. Nobody was injured. Rosario, 32, had a blood alcohol level of 211, 3 times the legal limit, court records show. There was an open bottle of whiskey in the car when he was stopped. He was administered a breathalyzer test, sources said. "I'm sorry, officer. I was drinking whiskey." A reporter for the New York Post, Rosario allegedly told cops, according to Assistant District Attorney Brain Millia at his arraignment. After he hit the parked car, he fled and a witness called cops. His vehicle was spotted by cops about 30 minutes later and Rosario pulled over at Amsterdam Avenue and W144th Street. He was taken to the 28th Precinct Station House for alcohol testing and charged with DWI, leaving the scene of an accident, and driving while ability impaired. The Post suspended Rosario pending the outcome of an internal investigation, a spokesperson for the newspaper said in an email statement. Rosario, who lives in Bells, in Rockland County, has no prior arrests. He was released on his own recognizance Thursday. Manhattan Criminal Court Judge Ariane Abrivano told Rosario that his license was suspended and that he would not be allowed to drive during the pendency of this case. Rosario shook his head no when approached for comment after his arraignment in Manhattan Criminal Court. His attorney Wayne Charles Boston also declined comment. Rosario and his Post colleagues Rebecca Rosenberg and photographer Stephen Hirsch then tried to hide him from a Daily News photographer. Rosenberg and Rosario raced to a stairwell in the lobby of the courthouse as Rosario fled up the stairs and Rosenberg slammed the door shut and blocked it with her body. Rosenberg claimed she had locked the door, which is only one of a handful of public emergency exits in the large building. "It's locked. It's locked," she told a Daily News photographer who could not gain access to the public stairwell. "I thought it was locked," she said. Hirsch stood on the inside of the second-floor entrance with his hand on the doorknob and refused to step out of the way. I'm trying, he said with a silly smirk. Rosario is due to return to court September 14.